For traders, taking more trades for some can be a controversial topic. So let's talk about taking more opportunities here during your trading session. There's absolutely nothing wrong with just taking a few high quality trades, putting them in at the beginning of your trading day, and then simply getting out when your targets are met, and then saying, hey, I'm washing my hands, I'm taking the rest of the day off. If you have a few high quality setups, you take them in, they win, why not slow down, use your same strategies, and look for the next trade? There's many opportunities in a trading day. Just don't stop when you hit one or two winners. You can increase your profitability by just slowing down, looking for better trade setups, and taking more trades more often as long as the setup is there. Now, when we say more trades, it doesn't mean just put on more trades. It means put on trades that you like. Wait for your setups. Now, if you're trading right now in these markets, you know there's a lot of volatility and a lot of fluctuation. So you want to make sure that you take as many trades as possible while the market is hot. Might not be hot one day, then you don't have to trade. But if you come in and the market's moving percentage points, 1%, 1.5%, 2%, you got to take advantage. And the best way to do that is by making multiple trades. What about strategy development? The more trades you take, the more you may see other opportunities to come in the future. What trading is all about is taking advantage of patterns, your past experiences, and what you think may happen next. The more data you can collect by simply trading and experiencing those trades, the better you're going to be. All right, thirdly, this one might be the most important. It's up here. It's psychology. The more trades you take, the better feeling you'll have being in trades. You'll be able to feel, hey, I'm holding this against me. Why am I doing that? This is a big winner. What should I do? There's lots of different advantages of being in a trade instead of sitting back on your hands, but you gotta be in the right trades. That's the most important. Develop that thick skin. I can hold this because why? I've seen this happen before. You don't get that experience unless you're actually in the trade. Of course, when you're taking more trades, you're taking more risk. But remember, we have a risk management strategy in place already. You don't want to take trades if you don't have an out. So make sure that you manage those risks. The other problem with taking more trades, it's more commissions. So don't overtrade. Make sure that at the end of the day, you're paying the right amount of fees as related to your net. As with any strategy, you have to make sure that you have the risks versus the benefits, and make sure that you have a happy medium there, because if you do not backtest your strategies, then everything we've just talked about doesn't matter. You can every single day join us live at Trader TV on YouTube. Google it, look it up. We're the #1 show, and we're live every day at 8:30 to talk all about these strategies and more. It's Trader TV Live, and it's a banger.